Welcome to Luca is a billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to change a Hyundai Kona brake light. First, gather your essential tools, including a Phillips head screwdriver and a new brake light bulb. Safety is paramount, so ensure your vehicle is completely turned off and the parking brake is firmly engaged. Then, open the rear hatch to gain easy access to the taillight assembly from inside the trunk area. This preparation makes the entire process much smoother and safer for you. Next, let's access the taillight assembly. You will find two retaining screws located on the inside edge of the assembly. Using your Phillips head screwdriver, carefully remove both of these screws. Once the screws are out, gently pull the entire taillight assembly straight back, away from the vehicle. It should detach with a little effort, revealing the bulb sockets behind it. Take your time with this step. Now it's time to replace the faulty bulb. Locate the brake light bulb socket and twist it counterclockwise to remove it from the housing. With the socket free, carefully pull the old, non-working bulb straight out. It might be a bit snug. Then, take your new brake light bulb and firmly insert it into the socket until you feel it click securely into place. Avoid touching the glass of the new bulb with your bare hands. Finally, let's put everything back together and test it. Reinsert the bulb socket into the taillight assembly, twisting it clockwise to secure it. Align the entire taillight assembly with its mounting points and push it firmly back into position. Reinstall the two retaining screws you removed earlier. The last crucial step is to test your new brake light by pressing the brake pedal to ensure it illuminates brightly. Great job!
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.